So that is why I just kept you all mute. If any problem is there, you just raise your hand. But my ma'am, for my completed, yes, me that I have seen, but you have to post all the assignment in the assignment section, like the way you all are submitting your homeworks. Okay, otherwise I can't see from here. Please just submit your homework. And few things I want to say. Please talk in English in the class. Okay, please talk in English. I am giving you the options to talk. That doesn't mean that you can talk through the entire class. I have to also just complete the syllabus also. Okay, please just lower your hand. Please just lower your hand. I don't think that you are having a much serious problem. Or yes, yes, Selling, it's good. I don't think that you are having much problem or something like that. Yes, it's very good. Nita also very good. Okay. So we are going to take out your first digit book. I'm giving 1 more minute. Much time has already gone. So who you are willing to join? They will join. Just join. Take out your first digit book from the addition page. I will just solve. Yes, Priyam, what happened? Any problem is there? No, will not see.
বলছি কালকের যে হোমওয়ার্কটা দিয়েছিলেন আমার এই হোমওয়ার্ক এইটা হয়ে গেছে এই পেজটা কিন্তু এই পেজটা বুঝতে পারছি না কি করে করে
Okay, I will tell. I will definitely tell that. Okay, but today I don't have that picture, so today I can't tell. Give me one day, I will tell. Next page you first open, and please, Priyam, try to talk in English. Okay, so here I am. Just additions first page we all have done. Okay, let me unmute. Who with whom I never talk. Tafim, Hawk. Tafim, unmute yourself. Tafim, unmute yourself. Addition,
yes ma'am
addition we have started.
no ma'am
Okay, so from the first page I will show. Oh, wait. First, you try to solve this page where the flower is drawn. This page, you just pass this part where I am just moving the cursor. You try to solve. Later from this flower part, I will just say how I have done. Okay, I will say it. First, you solve this part. Solve this part. Okay. Rest of the parts I will say. So coming to the next problem, here the flower. Okay, so the flower here, you all can see. Just let me draw these things I have, how I have solved. Okay, okay, so here, uh, in this part, whatever is written 50, this is the answer. Okay, so now here you can see there are some certain 42 is given, and they are asking in this part, means how, what we should add so that the answer will become 50. So we will do what? From 50 we will just subtract 42, so 8 is coming. So by like this 8 will be there. Like this, rest of the petals we have solved what I have told. I hope that you all understood. So I'm just showing one more. Suppose 35. Here 35 is given, and here the gap is there. Here, so with which what you have to do, means 15 you have to give, and the answer will come as 50. Okay. So that means from with this, how much we will add so that 50 will come. This is our certain factors. Okay. So like this, these two flowers you have to solve. Okay, please solve the center page. And if it is done, then raise on your hand. Only 5 students raise. Okay, I'm just lowering all of your hand. Afterwards, you all will raise your hand if it is done. Don't copy and paste from my answers. Okay, please try to solve by your own. 15 participants hands I need. Only then I will go to the next problem. Yeah, thank you very much that all of you has done. Okay, so let me lower the hand and let me stop the annotations also. After that I can only, these answers are posted. Okay, so okay, just 1 minute. Next page you try to solve. Next page few things. uh, this page. Okay, one sum I'm showing and rest of the sums I will just show after a while. Okay, so add by breaking means 163 plus 23. That means 160 plus 3 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, like this way you have to solve. 160 plus 20 plus 3 plus 3. Why we are breaking? Because you can see this type of numbers if is there, this is very easy to add. Okay, like 0 8 1, and also this one digit number we can just solve by just by our mouth, means mentally we can solve, right? So that is 186. This is called actually breaking the numbers and solve. Now this simply these things we can just solve like this also, right? No problems are much, much problem is there. So yeah, this is done. Rest of the sums you try to solve by like this, or normally I will show the answers later. Okay, try to solve it. Breaking means we are breaking the number 163. We can just write the numbers like this. I am giving you 5 minutes. Now the time is 12:03 up to 12:08. I am giving you 12:10. I am giving you time to solve the more 5 sums. 2 minutes for each. Yes, any problem is there? Yes, Richkin, what happened? Unmute. Richkin, please unmute. Adrika, please unmute. Adrika, what
Yes,
happened?
ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
22 multiplied into see the screen. 10, 22 into 20
Okay.
into 5.
What
22
what your
multiplied 10 multiplied 5. 22 into 10 into 5. All of you are in standard 4. Yes.
so solve it, solve the rest of the sums. Try to solve, afterwards I will show how to do. Otherwise 2 minutes I'm giving, think and solve. So I'm just showing you the answers. Okay, try to see it. How to do these sums? These are the actually answer. At 12:08, I told you that I will just share. Okay, this is actually how the rest of the sums has been done. Or you can do normal additions also. These things you can do it in your copy also. Okay. Audrija, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why you raised your hand? Done. Done.
Yes, ma'am. I have done.
Okay, okay. Just I'm waiting for your friends to complete. After a while, I will go to the next page. Also, you can just who has completed, go to next page and complete. Okay, answers I will show later. 18 means 18 is very simple. Additions are only there. Just solve the page 18 also. I will show the answers. I hope that this page is done. Okay. I am showing the next answers. Next is these answers for first 8 sums. Next 8 sums I am showing. Rest of the sums of this page also you try to solve. I will show the answers later. I hope that these are all are done. Next pictures I'm showing rest of the answers of this page. Okay. Please just solve it very fast. I will just stop the screen share within 2-3 minutes, and afterwards I will see your copies. Audrija, where you have gone? Shomok, yes, so Shomok, what happened? Shomok, unmute dear. Prokiti, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So up to this page, I hope that no problem is there. Up to page 18, you just all solve, and now you all show me your book. Now you all show me your book. Again, I will give some homework based on these questions. Okay, please try to solve it. I will give some times that try to solve it and submit it in the assignment section. Your class time is over, so I am leaving the class. Rest of the student, please just show your book. Yeah, Tapim, I can see. Priyam, I can see. Priyam, very good. You have completed your class work in between the classes only.